been really energising to be here at the first day of the Ploughing Championships. It's a wonderful 3-day event. Of course, it's hosting the World Ploughing Championships, which were due to happen this year in Russia, but which the National Ploughing Association moved in quickly to actually host them here, which is a great credit to them. Likewise, it is to the whole team of the National Ploughing Association, and Anna May and Anna Marie McHugh as well, and the whole team. But it's wonderful as Minister to be able to actually come, and after 3 years of not having events like this, following on from actually being able to visit many of the wonderful local shows, which were really great to see back in full flight this summer, to be here actually meeting people from right across rural Ireland, meeting many of our farm families, discussing the key challenges facing the sector, and in advance of the budget as well, planning in terms of how I as Minister can continue to support farm families in the year ahead. And that's the key engagement that I'm finalising this week as well with Minister for Public Expenditure Michael McGrath, to ensure that the key supports we have in place that back farm families and underpin rural Ireland, that we continue to ensure that as a government that continues for the next year.